Hello everyone, I am Vaishali Naha. Today I am going to discuss about the question answer of crop production and management chapter 1 class 8 science. इसका जो डिस्कशन है इस चैप्टर का एक्सप्लेनेशन ऑलरेडी मैं कर चुकी हूँ अपने प्रीवियस वीडियोस में. अगर आपने मेरा वीडियो नहीं देखा है सो प्लीज सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल स्कूल एट होम. चलिए तो स्टार्ट करते हैं हम. आपका जो क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट है, यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट है आपका फिलिंग द ब्लैंक्स. Select the correct words from the following list and fill in the blanks. Okay. So यहाँ पे आपको कुछ words given है और आपको उसको fill up करना है filling the blanks में. So first filling the blanks is the same kind of plant grown and cultivated on a large scale at a place is called the crop. Second filling the blanks है B. The first step before growing crops is the preparation of the soil. Third, C part, damaged seeds would float on the top of the water. Fourth, D part, for growing a crop, sufficient sunlight and water and nutrients from the soil are essential. ओके सो ये हमारा क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट फिनिश हुआ. बढ़ते हैं हमारे नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन की तरफ. क्वेश्चन सेकंड इज मैच आइटम्स इन कॉलम ए विद दोज इन कॉलम बी. आपको मैच करना है कॉलम ए और कॉलम बी से करेक्ट ऑप्शंस को. चलिए तो स्टार्ट करते हैं. फर्स्ट इज खरीफ क्रॉप्स. इसको मैच करेंगे ई से पैडी एंड मेज. सेकंड रबी क्रॉप्स मैच करेंगे डी से वीट ग्राम पी. थर्ड केमिकल फर्टिलाइजर्स बी से मैच करेंगे यूरिया एंड सुपर फॉस्फेट. फोर्थ ऑर्गेनिक मैन्योर, एनिमल एक्सक्रीटा, काउ डंग, यूरिन एंड प्लांट वेस्ट. ओके सो बढ़ते हैं हमारे क्वेश्चन नंबर थर्ड की तरफ. क्वेश्चन नंबर थर्ड इज गिव टू एग्जांपल्स ऑफ ईच. खरीफ क्रॉप्स पैडी एंड मेज. रबी क्रॉप्स wheat and pea. बढ़ते हैं हमारे फोर्थ क्वेश्चन की तरफ. राइट अ पैराग्राफ इन योर ओन वर्ड्स ऑन ईच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग. ए प्रिपरेशन ऑफ सॉइल, बी सोइंग, सी weeding and D threshing. Okay, so first preparation of the soil is the first step in agriculture. Preparation of the soil is done to loosen the soil, which is essential for the root penetration into the soil. This allows the root to breathe easily. Loosening of the soil allows the growth of earthworm and microorganisms, which will help to keep the soil fertile by adding humus to the soil. Loosening of soil also brings nutrient-rich soil to the top layer, which is essential for the growth of the plants. B. Sowing is an important process in the crop production. First, healthy seeds are selected before sowing. After selecting healthy seeds, sowing is done by either traditional method or by using equipment, seed drill. Removal of unnecessary plants from the field is called weeding. Weeds compete with crop plants for nutrients and water. This will reduce the yield of the desired crops. Weeds also interfere while harvesting and gets mixed with crops. Some weeds are poisonous to animals and humans. Tilling is a common method which helps removal of weeds before sowing crops. Manual methods like physical removal of plants are used to remove weeds. Weedicides are spread to get rid of weeds, but these methods may affect the health of farmers because of chemicals used as weedicides. D. Process of separating the chaff from the crop is known as threshing. Threshing is carried by a machine called combine, which is harvester as well as thresher. Threshing is also done by winnowing. There is a where to blow of wind is used to separate the chaff from crops. Here is question number 5. Explain how fertilizers are different from manure. Fertilizers. Fertilizer is an inorganic substance. Manure is an organic substance. Fertilizers are prepared artificially. Manure is obtained by decomposition of animal, plants, and human waste. Prepared in factories, prepared in fields. Does not provide humus to the soil. Provide humus to the soil. Rich in plant nutrients, relatively less plant nutrients. Long-term uses have adverse effect on soil. Long-term uses improve soil fertility. बढ़ते हैं हमारे next question, question number 6 की तरफ. What is irrigation? Describe two methods of irrigation which conserve water. The supply of water to crops at a regular interval is called irrigation. Methods of irrigation which conserve water are drip irrigation. Here the water goes drop by drop directly into the roots. This method is very useful as it conserves the water and also helps in avoiding weeds. Sprinkler system. This method is in use in mainly uneven land where sufficient water is not available. The perpendicular pipes having rotating nozzles on top are joined to the main pipeline at regular intervals. When water is allowed to flow through the main pipe under pressure with the help of a pump, it escapes from the rotating nozzles. It gets sprinkled on the crop as if it is raining. Okay, तो बढ़ते हैं हमारे next question, question number 7 की तरफ. So here is our question number 7. If wheat is sown in the Kharif season, what would happen? Discuss. Wheat crops may get destroyed if sown in Kharif season because of unfavorable temperature, pests and adaptable condition for the plants to grow. Kharif comes during the rainy season, hence it is not a wise idea to grow the wheat in a Kharif season. Okay, बढ़ते हैं हमारे next question की तरफ, question number 8. So here is our question number 8. Explain how soil gets affected by the continuous plantation of crops in a field. Plants require nutrients for their growth. Without optimum nutrients, plants will die. Continuous plantation of crops result in depletion of certain nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, etc. This result in decrease of yield due to loss of nutrients, hence there should be a gap between crops in order to get a good yield. What are weeds? How can we control them? In a field, many other undesirable plants may grow naturally along with the crop. These undesirable plants are called weeds. Weeds can be controlled by methods called weeding. Tilling before sowing of crops help in uprooting and killing of weeds, which may then dry up and get mixed with the soil. Weeds are also controlled by using certain chemicals called weedicides. Okay, so question number 9 finish हुआ. बढ़ते हैं हमारे next question की तरफ, that is question number 10. Arrange the following boxes in proper order to make a flow chart of sugarcane crop production. यहाँ पे आपको बॉक्स की बने उनको आपको प्रॉपर ऑर्डर में अरेंज करना है. ओके, और फ्लो चार्ट बनाना है. सो फर्स्ट इज प्रिपरेशन ऑफ सॉइल, flowing the field, sowing, manuring, irrigation, harvesting, sending crop to sugar factory. Flow chart of sugarcane crop production. Okay, so यहाँ हमारे एक्सरसाइज के क्वेश्चन फिनिश होते हैं. और अगर आपने इसके पहले के जो वीडियोस हैं कि कैसे चैप्टर एक्सप्लेनेशन के अगर वो नहीं दिया है तो आप डिस्क्रिप्शन में जाके, मैं उनकी लिंक दी हुई है हमने, तो आप वहाँ जाके क्लिक करके वीडियोस को देख सकते हैं. और अगर आपने मेरा चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है सो प्लीज सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल फॉर मोर वीडियोस. स्कूल एट होम. ओके एंड गुड बाय.